sorry that I didn't realize that we're meant to be. Girl, every day and every night, wish you were with me, yeah. Tell me, am I supposed to be happy? You're finally happy with someone else. Baby girl, I know this is selfish, but girl, I am selfish, there's no one else.
Hey guys, Grace, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be completing my Valentine's Day series. I did give you guys 3 looks. I give you guys a simple look, a very dramatic look. So this is going to be my glamorous look. Excuse me. This video is also a collaboration with my girl here on YouTube, KIERA Simone. You guys should definitely check out her video at the end of mine. I'll be leaving the link and everything about her in the description box below. So make sure you check out her video. If you do like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this video.
Alright guys, to start off, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetic eyeshadow base. I wanted to use, usually I use the concealer, but today I wanted to try the NYX eyeshadow base. I've had this for a while, so I said why not try it. The eyeshadow palette of choice today is the Sephora Editorial palette. This palette retails for 85 Canadian dollars. It's super pigmented and the color are so nice. I believe there is 3 palettes, which is the Editorial, the Warm, and then the Cool. I have the Editorial and the Warm. I'm not really a fan of the Cool, but I'm starting off with this like orangey pink color, and I'm applying that as my transition color. And then I'm going in with the second color, which is like a fuchsia, and I'm applying that to my crease. This look is supposed to be something just only pink but still very glamorous, and I'm just applying that and going on. The brush I'm using is a Morphe brush. It comes in a set, and these brushes actually do not have numbers on them. So to cut my crease, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. I did use a tutorial to learn how to flatten my brush, which is a tutorial from my girl here on YouTube, Kiki Adams. You guys should definitely check it out. I'll make sure I leave it up above. She did a tutorial on how to flatten your brush when it comes to doing a cut crease, and I'm telling you, it really helped to find this cut crease. So after that, I'm going in with the Natasha Denona palette. This is the eyeshadow palette in number 9. One thing I did find out about these palettes that Natasha Denona has is anything that is like a metallic or any shimmer things in her palette are actually crushed pearls. That is why Natasha Denona's palettes are super expensive. I believe this palette is actually 65 Canadian dollars. So moving forward, I'm going to go in with my New York Colors Liquid Matte Black Liner, and I'm just applying that all over. You guys already know what it is with me and this liner. It is a matte liner. It is super nice. It's inexpensive. It's literally only like $4, and it's the go. Okay, this liner is literally the go. So after applying on the black liner, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Vivid Liner. This is in Petal, and it's a pink liner. I'm just applying that on top. Like I said, this look is supposed to be literally just everything pink and super fabulous. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Smashbox Superfan mascara. And then after that, I'm going to be applying on my lashes. This is the Lady Lashes style in Hersey Kisses. After I apply my lashes, I'm going to be adding on gem onto my liner, which I do not show in the clip because it did not come out how I wanted it to, so I just cut it off. But I'm going to be going into my complexion. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm applying that all over. This primer is actually if you have oily skin, combination skin, I'll recommend it. I wouldn't recommend it if you have dry skin. I think it will not help at all. It will make you really more dry or drier. And then for my foundation, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. I am in the shade Cocco, which is 510R. I believe that's what it is, and I'm applying that. This is actually one of my favorite foundation. I haven't worn this foundation in so long because I'm running out, and I'm not 100% sure if they have my shade available at Sephora, so that's why I've been like refraining from it. But you guys see how this foundation is literally like my skin color. I am living for it. And then for my concealer today, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This is the self-setting concealer that they released late last year, beginning of 2019. I am in the shade number 51, which is chocolate, I believe. I'm just applying this concealer all over where I need to conceal, and then I'm going in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge to, of course, blend that out. You guys already know how I am with voiceover. I'm not a fan of them, but here and there I like to do them. I haven't filmed a talk through video in a while, which I should be doing very, very soon. And then to contour today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany, and I'm applying that all over my cheekbones, my nose bridge, and wherever I just pretty much need to contour on my face. And then I'm using a Real Technique concealer sponge to just blend it all out. It's like a mini concealer sponge. These came in a set, and I really, really like them because they get where you need them to do and they get the job done. To set everything, I'm using my Sacha Cosmetics Buttercup setting powder. And I apply that pretty much everywhere I put the concealer, and also where I contour just to snatch that cheekbones, as you guys already know. And then to set everything, I'm going to be going in with my Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Deep, number 60. This Micro Smooth Powder is literally everything. It is one of my favorite finishing powder. Unfortunately, I believe Sephora discontinued it in store, but I believe it's still available online. So if you've never tried, definitely get your hands on it. You will literally love it. And then I'm going back in with the same fuchsia color, and I'm applying it in my lower lash line. As you guys can see, do you guys see the gems on top of the liner? It's so cute. And then I'm going in again with my Superfan mascara just to give my bottom lash some volume and look good, you know. And then after that, I'm going with my blush. So today's blush is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the trio. It's the Berry Adore. You guys have seen me use this blush a lot of time on my channel. It's one of my favorite blush that Anastasia carries. If I could buy this individually, I really would. And then for my highlights today, I'm using Makeup Forever Pro Fusion in number 2. This is a very, very golden highlighter. I love it. I love how it looks on me. I feel like it complements majority of the looks that I do. It's very nice on a melanin skin tone. It's not too ashy. It doesn't look too white. It looks really, really, really good. And then after that, I'm literally going in to do my lips now. So for my lips, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artiste Color Pencil. I want to say this is Sepia, number 82, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe so. That's the color I use because I have 4 of them, but I don't remember the numbers by heart. But I know it's the Artiste Color Pencil from Makeup Forever. And then for my lip, on top of that, I'm going in with the Absolute New York Lip Polish in Nude. This is not a lip that's new on my channel. You guys know this is literally my favorite nude. I use it every time. And then to top that off, I'm going in with my Nickak New York Clear Lip Gloss. Just adding that on top. It makes the lip a little more glossy, adds on to it. And then to set everything, I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray just to finish it all. And guys, that is it for this look.
Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. It's supposed to be something very extra because you know I'm extra. It's my middle name, but yeah. If you guys did like this video, make sure to check out Kierra Simone's video, which of course is linked in the description box below. Subscribe to her channel. Make sure you give her video a thumbs up. If you guys did like my video as well, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any other videos you'd like to see on my channel, any look, anything, feel free to message me or comment it below in the comment section as well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you did enjoy this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell on. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It is right there on the screen. Make sure you follow me, add me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's with your loved ones, your friends, and your girlfriends, and even your boo. And I will see you guys all in our next upload. Bye!